Changing your payout method on Coveo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Coveo account by visiting the official website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payment information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method on Coveo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.